Hello and welcome all of you, and you're watching K-Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. So again, today I'm available with one more mock Viva video. This will be from the chapter of Principles of Management and the chapter of Marketing Management for class 12th Business Studies. So without wasting much time, let's begin with that. So just give a brief about yourself, a brief description of yours.
Yes, my name is Shashank Singh Gurjar, and I am from class 12, and I live in Pinwada.
Give a short description about your project, whatever you have prepared.
Yes, I have prepared a project on principle of management, Henry Fayol's principle of management.
On which organization you have applied
14.
these principles?
Yes, sir.
On which business organization you have applied these principles?
Yes, I have applied this principle on H and
Please.
So, under your observation, when you visited the organization, what was your observation? Which principles of management were not followed by that organization?
Sir, the which principles are not followed?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In my organization, sir, principal initiative was not properly followed. uh, uh, and the principle of the unity of command and unity of direction and expected B corps.
These
These
principles
four
are not followed by the
not
organization.
followed. Yes, sir.
Okay. What helped you to identify that the principle of initiative is not followed? How did you know that?
Because the organization, top level of organization was not giving the opportunity to employee to take the initiative and decisions for the organization.
Explain the principle of initiative.
Yes, sir. They when the organization should make the employee to take some decisions for the organization.
Let me give you a situation. You just have to identify the
Yes, sir.
principle. What values are
Yes, sir.
fulfilled by the employee who reports to his work on time and completes it within the given time limit?
Yes, sir. Can you repeat it?
What values are fulfilled by the employee who reports to his work on time and completes it within the given time limit? The person who reports the work on time and completes the task in a given time limit.
So I have to which principle of management is this?
Yeah.
It is it's about within time and reports to your initiative. Discipline.
Principle of discipline is a correct answer, but you took a little bit longer time to identify. Anyways, tell me about this one. A tailor, F.W. Taylor, advocated one technique of management which is complementary or similar to one of the principle of management propounded by Henry Fayol. Which principle and which technique I'm talking about?
Sir, spirit one, sir. The principle of spirit B corps. It's related to Taylor and Pure.
No, let me repeat the question. One technique of management propounded by F.W. Taylor, which is complementary to one of the principle developed by Henry Fayol. Which technique and which principle I'm talking about?
Yes, sir. Henry Taylor. Sir, about Sir Taylor, I know. Sorry, Fayol. the
Tell me.
principle. But sir, esprit de corps.
No, esprit de
It is
corps is
related
not the
to.
correct answer. The correct answer
Okay.
is division of work is the principle and functional foremanship is the technique. Functional
Functional.
foremanship and division of work. Fine. Okay. Moving to the
Okay.
next question. What do you mean by the principle of centralization and decentralization?
So in centralization, the main power or the main is focused on top level only, sir. And in decentralization, sir, it is divided amongst all level authority and responsibilities.
Whatever answer you have given, that reveals that you know the answer, but can be presented in a much better way. If we
Okay, sir.
can say centralization means concentration of powers with the top management,
Yes.
and
Yes.
decentralization means distribution of powers throughout all the levels of management, that would be a better answer. What is the difference between decentralization and delegation?
So decentralization is done in all the levels, but delegation is done within the two levels. Means
Okay,
two
that is also
heads.
correct. Few questions from you from the chapter of marketing management. Okay,
Yes.
so what do you have to say about the 4 P's of marketing?
4 P's are, sir, price,
Mhm.
place, promotion, price, place, promotion, and uh, product.
What do we include in product?
Product we include branding, labeling, uh, branding and labeling, and packaging.
What are the elements of branding?
Elements of branding are brand name, brand mark, trademark,
What is the difference
and
between
brand.
brand? Yeah, sorry.
Brand name, brand mark, and trademark.
What is the difference between brand mark and trademark?
Trademarks is copyright, and the brand mark, which is not which is recognized by seeing, and trademark is just a copyright.
Copyright is another thing, trademark is another thing. Both are the examples of intellectual property.
Okay.
The answer to this question will be like trademark is a symbolic representation of brand. Brand
Symbolic
mark is a
representation.
symbolic representation of brand, and trademark is something which provides legal protection to the brand name and brand mark. Legal protection word is important for that. Anyways,
Legal.
I'm just giving one phrase. You just have to identify which marketing philosophy I'm talking about.
Okay.
The phrase is availability and affordability of the product.
Availability and affordability of the product.
Yep.
Uh, Production concept.
Adding quality features to the product. Which marketing
Product
philosophy I'm
concept.
talking about?
Product concept.
Product concept. That is absolutely correct. What do you mean by societal concept?
Societal concept means that we have to do the customer satisfaction with regards means we have to keep in mind that ethics and all that ethics towards society,
Towards
and
society.
then do the customer satisfaction.
Can you tell me the meaning of zero effect?
Zero effect.
What do you mean by zero effect? It is somewhere related to the societal concept.
Zero effect, sir, I have no idea.
When we have a zero impact or zero negative impact over the market, over the environment, that is known as zero effect. When we don't have any negative impact over the environment, that is known as zero effect.
Zero.
So obviously taking care of
Okay.
society. So Shashank, I just observed that you are prepared in a better manner.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
what you need to do, if you will just prepare a little bit more, that can help you to bring 20 out of 20. Because
yes, sir.
somewhere like you was taking a little bit time to think over the answer and all. However, that's a good thing. That's not a bad thing. Instead of giving a wrong answer, if we'll take time in thinking the answer, that will be a better situation. But if you will prepare a little bit more, then you will be able to answer it instantly, and it will be 100% sure that you will be able to bring 20 out of 20 in your business studies, particularly in
20 out of
practicals.
20.
Okay. Any questions from your side? Anything you would
Uh,
like to ask?
what else question can be asked about
Look, in the
marketing
practicals,
questions, sir?
the main focus will be over checking the authenticity of your project. Like you have prepared your project on the topic of principles of management, and these principles of management you have applied over a particular business organization. Now, to check whether really this project is an original work of yours or you have copied it from somewhere. So if it is an
Yes,
original work of yours, whatever questions will be asked regarding your visit to the organization, regarding the preparation and the difficulties that you have encountered, you will be able to answer those. And if it is a copied work, you won't be able to answer. So the
sir.
main focus will be over checking the authenticity of your project. Secondly, the focus will be on the chapter from which you have prepared the project, obviously the principles of management as you have chosen. And
Yes, sir.
thirdly, if you won't be able to answer in a satisfactory manner from the topic that you have prepared, then the additional questions may be asked from throughout the syllabus. But if you will be performing best from the topic that you have chosen, then no questions will be asked from any of the other chapter.
Main focus is on principle of management, the project we have
Obviously,
prepared.
first focus will be over the topic that you have chosen for your project.
Sir, case studies will be asked.
Definitely,
Case
definitely,
studies.
definitely. Case study can be asked. The one word answers can be asked to you, and the concepts that is known as keywords can be told to you, and you just have to identify. Suppose if I say the channels of communication, which principle of management I'm talking about? The channels of communication. So
Scalar chain.
scalar chain, exactly. Okay. If we are talking about place for a thing and thing for a place,
Order. Principle of
principle of
order.
order. So like this, the keywords
Yes.
can be asked, the phrases can be asked, and you can be asked to, you just have to be asked to identify the principle.
Okay.
And do not
Thank you,
keep
sir.
yourself restricted to the Fayol's principles only.
Yes.
Though you have prepared your project from the Fayol's principles of management, but you must be aware about the Taylor's principles of management.
Okay.
You must be aware about the techniques of management also. So do not keep yourself restricted to the Fayol's principles only, because this comparison can be asked to you, that which principle is complementary, which principle is contradictory. These kinds of comparisons may be asked to you. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So I just wish you all the very best. Prepare yourself in a much better manner so you can just come with the flying colors. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
dear.